Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief SEO audit video of a few things that you could start doing to help grow your business through some digital marketing strategies. The goal of this video is just to show you a few tips and tricks we use in the SEO and digital marketing realm that can help grow your business. If you want a more in-depth deep dive into your website and you want me to go into more details on what you could start doing to help grow your business, just give me a call or respond to this email. And without further ado, let me just dive into it. So I do like the aesthetic of your site, but however, this isn't going to be about design because design doesn't play a very big role in the SEO. So what does is the first thing I want to talk about, which is content. Now you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words because Google's algorithms look for that as kind of a minimum baseline for a homepage in order for them to be found by the Google algorithm. Now you can definitely get to the top without it, but it definitely helps by just meeting that minimum requirement. Now I use a tool called SEOquake, which we see right here, which you can get for free. It's like a Google Chrome plugin. And if you do get it, then it's pretty nice because it can kind of just show you the stuff on the face value of a website. So we can see you have 418 words here on your homepage. So you're about 1,000 to 1,100 words shy of that 1,500 word minimum. So just right out of the gate, I would say just adding to your website more content is just one way to start helping you grow. Now the second thing that it does, besides meeting that minimum requirement, is that keywords, it allows you to get more of them on the page. Now keyword is anything that goes in a Google search bar. So for example, St. Louis roofer, all three words right there is considered one keyword. So typing that in, I found one of your competitors, Ferguson Roofing. Right here is their website. Again, it's a nice website, but design and aesthetics are not what are going to get you to the top of Google. So they don't have 1,500 words of content either, but they probably have more keywords because they were pulled up for the keyword search, or for the keyword I searched. So let's look more in depth. This tool is called Ahrefs, which you can get. It's $250 a month. And what this does is shows you more of the search engine optimization side of a website and what they're doing in the background. Now we can see they're being found for 1.7 thousand keywords. That is a ton of keywords that they're being indexed for. So let's take a look a little deeper and see what they're being found for. So we can see they're being found for all of these things. But what I want to draw your attention to is how much search volume each of those has. So for example, drains for flat roofs has 1,000. Ferguson Roofing, 700. Roofing St. Louis, Missouri, 200. Roofing Company St. Louis, 250. Roofing Company St. Louis, 300. Roofing Contractor St. Louis, 250. 300, so on and so forth. That's how many times users search them monthly. Now, if you're not in the first page of Google, you miss out on a lot of these. Reason being is the click rates show that 80% of people don't scroll past the first page when looking for whatever they are searching in Google. So you need to be on the front page. Which leads me to my last point. How do you get to the front page? Well, that's going to be your offsite SEO, primarily backlinking and link juice. So going back, we can see that your competitor has 3,500 backlinks, 309 referring domains, with a domain rating of 20. An ideal domain rating or a good domain rating is 20 to 35. That's a good range. Now we can look at your website here. This is your URL. You have 16 backlinks, 14 domains, and you don't have a domain rating. Now, what a backlink is simply a link from one website to another website. And when it does that, it passes off some of the power. So if you get a good, strong website to backlink to your website, then there's a good chance that your website's DR will grow. The higher your DR, the higher you are in Google. It's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see the most relevant, authoritative websites point at you to show Google that you're the authority. Now, if we look at all of this in combination, right, all the things being done together, but specifically the SEO and the keywords, we can kind of see where your site is and how much traffic it's getting. So looking at this, we can see you're getting 34 clicks roughly a month organically. Organically just meaning someone types what they're looking for in Google and finds your website and clicks on it. Now your competitor is getting 3,000. So just imagine if you only converted 10% of those 3,000, you would still have a lot of customers, right? So you can just see how important it is. And you would, on average, it's 30% conversion rate once they're on your website. That's the national average. So just think of the amount of customers that you could be having looking for roofing jobs if you just had a fraction of that traffic. So in closing, we discussed three things. We talked about content, 1,500 words or more. We talked about keywords, getting the keywords you want to be found for. And lastly, most importantly, we talked about SEO offsite. We talked about getting the backlinks and link juice to show Google you're the authority and to get you ranking on Google on the top page. Now, like I said in the beginning, if you want me to do a deeper dive of your website, show you what you can do and how to beat your competitors, and you want to see what strategies that we can implement to help your business grow, then just email me back or give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.